I'm panicking. Yes, ma'am. Every single Vlogmas, I like to do some kind of baking content. That usually turns out to be cookies. Not this year. I am going to make 3 kinds of Rice Krispie treats. All of these recipes I found on TikTok, of course. So all the recipes will be linked in the description in case I just make them look really good. And also if I make them look really bad, just know that it's definitely my fault. I wanted to be like a grandma, so I made recipe cards. The 3 Rice Krispie treat recipes: sugar cookie Rice Krispie treat, Christmas Rice Krispie treat, not to be confused because they are different, okay? And then peppermint bark Rice Krispies. It's gonna be so good. Actually, I really don't like Rice Krispie treats unless they are homemade. So let's just get right into it, girl. I don't have like a proper big pot, but I have a wok. And dare I say that that is better. Okay, I need butter. Yes. I don't know who put all of this here, but it's overwhelming me. Melt butter on medium heat, add jumbo marshmallows and mix until melted and combined. Put half a cup of sugar cookie mix to bowl. And why did hey, who wrote this shit down? Because that's not proper making sense. Okay. What the hell? Put into microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes, 30 seconds at a time, stirring every 30 seconds. This Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix, it has to be heat treated, whatever that means. Onto the stove she goes. Medium heat, I assume, is like a 5. Butter is melting. First 30 seconds gone. Back in she goes. Oh my god, I'm freaking... Okay, my handy dandy card. Add jumbo marshmallow. How much marshmallows? Oh god. Oh god, the counter's wet. Oh my god, this is why they should be laminated. Stirring. I need 3 ounces of marshmallows. I'm panicking. Just a little. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I just need to put 0.38 cups of marshmallows. Ooh, this bowl is hot. Ow, I don't want to burn the butter. That thing is sizzling. I don't know if this is browned enough. Wait, is this the one I'm supposed to brown? No, I'm not supposed to brown it. Okay, well... And then I mix until combined. I will say that this is smelling really good. Maybe I'll let this melt and then I will add in the sugar cookie mix. Oh my god, yeah, I definitely browned the butter. Okay, just some extra flavor. Honestly, next round, I'm going to perhaps have my ingredients ready. Oh my god, why does this kind of look insane? Oh my god, I think I might be burning it. I'm going to turn off the heat. I did not anticipate how quickly I will have to move with this. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna stir. This looks a little dry and also a little too wet. I will be honest though, this smells incredible. Cute! There's so much butter, like, hello. And I feel like it's not sticking. I think I did not add enough bigger marshmallows. Girl, I don't know. This is the first time I've ever made like proper Rice Krispie treats. Clearly, can you tell by the way I'm running around this damn kitchen? Got my round IKEA pan. This does look really cute, I think. Okay, I'm going to let this rest for a little bit. I need to cut these into triangles, then drizzle them with white chocolate. And in the meantime, I am going to get together my ingredients for our next recipe because that was kind of a disaster. I was kind of freaking my trusty handy dandy recipe cards. Yes, ma'am, Christmas Rice Krispie treats. This one has the longest amount of instructions. I am so prepared this time, but now I need to actually finish this one. Cut like pizza, drizzle with chocolate and sprinkles. Instead of white chocolate, I got cream cheese frosting. So I'm gonna put some in a bowl and then heat it up and then drizzle it over, but maybe I should cut it first. One thing at a time. Oh my God, she held her shape, yes. Is it supposed to be that crunchy? Like, oh my God. This is a disaster. Now I know for next time. Oh my God. These kind of look good. Okay, maybe not. Let me do a taste test with the icing on it, because I'm sure that's going to make it taste better. That is so overly sweet. Girl, I messed these up. It's so crispy. Have no fear. We have 2 more chances to make a good Rice Krispie treat. I don't know if this one just tastes a little bit off. Hey, really quick disclaimer. I am going to blame anything but my baking skills. Is it the sugar cookie mix? Oh God, I don't know. It's just so crispy. Honestly, I think I messed up from the get-go. I didn't go quick enough, but now I know. Okay, let's make some Christmas Rice Krispie treats. Oh my God. Okay, round 2. Let's get it. Okay. I'm so scared. Anyways, let's get to cooking, shall we? Is it medium heat? Oh my God, I'm freaking. Add Rice Krispies 2 cups at a time. That's pretty smart. Okay, this one is actually a lot more detailed. Again, I'm not blaming the recipe because it's definitely my fault. Maybe I just need a little bit more direction. The amount of directions scared me, but now I'm like actually really grateful for it. Oh my God, this is a lot of butter. I think this one actually is ready. I need to take it off. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. Oh my God, it said it was gonna sizzle, but I didn't think it actually would. It smells really good. Salt, salt, salt. Guys, why does it look like this? I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Girl, why does it look like that? I feel like I need more mini marshmallows. Like, it's not really sticking. Maybe I just need a little tiny heat to melt it. I feel like I'm gonna regret this. Oh my God, you can't even see anything. Sorry. Clearly, I don't know what the hell I'm doing with anything. You know what? I'm sure this is fine. Turn off. Oh God, the heat. Well, I definitely messed this up because you're supposed to add M&Ms and sprinkles, but you can't let them melt. And I just turned the heat on. Let's talk about how shocked I will be when this turns out like ass. And I did not follow a single thing on the recipe and I made shit up and I started adding shit along the way. But this one, I am a little bit more hopeful about it. It's so greasy. Please tell me I don't need white chocolate on this. I think I do. Oh my God, I do. I'm not putting it and you can't make me. Oh God. You know what this means, right? It means that we have one more chance after this to get Rice Krispies right. I feel like this is supposed to be a very easy recipe. Not this one in particular, but just like Rice Krispies in general. You know what? Let's just deplate her. I removed it from the pan, cut it all, forgot to hit record because I was so locked in. They are not staying in shape. I don't think they are as crispy as the other ones, like in a good way. I think for this last Rice Krispie treat that we are making, I'm going to put in extra marshmallows and maybe a little bit less butter because this is so greasy. I guess I should try some of this for you. Okay. This was so close to being good. Like, it was so close. It's not there. What the hell am I doing? How am I doing this like so horribly wrong? The next, last, and final Rice Krispie treat that we will be making is peppermint bark. And I'm excited because this one uses the Cocoa Krispies and this has the least amount of directions. Perfect. I'm going to go get my ingredients ready, and I'm not going to make you watch me because I need to sit in silence for a little bit and reflect on how I messed up Rice Krispie treats. Not once, but twice. Okay, checking back when I have it together. I'm going to do it scared, but I'm going to do it regardless. Oh my God. Okay, I'm freaking already. Oh God, I'm like feeling really bad about myself right now. Just going to melt this. I'm not going to brown it. I know you're like, oh my God, she's going to brown the butter again. I might, but it won't be intentional this time. Oh my God. Okay, they're melting very well now. Feeling good. I don't want to jinx it because I did feel good about the other ones. Okay, I'm going to add the peppermint extract. Oh my God, I just spilled half of it. It's fine. One, two. This is looking more so like I think how they're supposed to look. Also add mini marshmallows. Guys, I think I've done it. I was like not super excited for this one, but now I'm like, no, this is it. Look, like it's like stringy, which I feel like is already like, we're up. It's so sticky, maybe too many marshmallows, but you know what? I just can't get anything right, I guess. Now I have this candy cane from Trader Joe's, handmade candy cane with cocoa creme filled center. I did not think this was actually gonna work out that well. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God. Look how beautiful she looks. Oh my God, I've actually done something right, perhaps. We'll see. I realize now that like some of the chunks of candy cane are kind of massive, but I think it'll be fine. Oh my God, what am I doing? Trying to work smarter, not harder, and somehow I'm doing neither. I just like threw everything on the floor. That's fine, I don't even care. Just a girl in her dream of being a Rice Krispie maker. Honestly, I'm just gonna cut a small piece off for myself. Oh my God, okay. Look at this. It's still warm, but this already looks so much better. Oh, it's very sticky. Okay, this is incredibly sticky. Someone put a lot of marshmallows in this. Oh God. I overcorrected so hard on this one. Oh my God. But I will give myself a few extra points for creativity because I used the cocoa creme filled hand spun candy cane. God, what the hell? Why did I mess up Rice Krispie treats so bad? I will say this is number 1 though because it's edible. 2 is the Christmas Rice Krispie treat, the one with the M&Ms, just because I like M&Ms. And last place will have to go to the sugar cookie ones. And honestly, I will say perhaps that was user error. I am never making Rice Krispie treats ever again. Like never ever. This was horrible. I can't believe I even like wrote down these cute little recipes. I was like, oh my God, then I can, no girl, burn it. Burn it. This was going to be my only baking video during Vlogmas, and now I'm like, do I do another one just for like a little bit of redemption? I don't really want to though. After this, I am discouraged. Not really, I'm just lazy, but girl, what the hell? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I need to go wallow in self-pity. Okay, bye, see you tomorrow.